That all the things that we have used are eco-friendly and is free of cost. So it can be used as dividers on the road, decorative articles such as this. And these are the steps. And you must have seen that for making these bricks hard, kiln firing is done, due to which air pollution is increasing. And in making of these bricks, we have not used any firing hoses. You will see only we have done sun drying. So we are not causing air pollution by making the bricks hard by confidence. Secondly, these bricks require tops, and here we are using clay soil, which is easily available in playgrounds, gardens, or any other park. So we are also conserving natural resources.
A project named as a Vetiver Hands is a temperature controller. In summer days, when we feel hot, we put on AC that assume it is not eco-friendly for us because it emits chlorofluorocarbon and there are more chances for indoor air pollution. Now there should be something eco-friendly. There is a term known as Vetiver in English. In Hindi we call this Kushan grass. This keeps everything cooler and decreases the temperatures of the room. If you put curtains of it, when the air passes through it, it will be cool and filtered.
This is vetiver made from the vetiver roots, normal plants. After soaking that, ceramic glazing for 4 hours. After soaking that, the hydraulic tests were done for 15 minutes at bedside machine sizes. These are the results.
This vetiver composite sheet can be useful inside the walls of a building house. With the help of this also you can filter cooling effect in your house. The temperature in the glass window is more than 40, but in the vetiver windows it's less than 30. These are the results.
As you see, the shape of the gate is a pi. Pi is an irrational number. Pi Day is celebrated on 14th March every year. Children on the triangle will understand that when they are climbing from downward to upward direction, they are moving in ascending order, and when from upward to downward direction, they are moving in descending order. From this merry-go-round, they will learn that the line dividing the circle into two equal halves is called the diameter, and each car is standing in each half of the circle, that is a semicircle. They will also learn that the line joining from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle is called the radius. From these goals, they will learn certain formulas for the area of the circle and the circumference of the circle. By these laws of exponent chart, they will learn that by removing one of the arrow, reading the law written on it, and joining it with its correct root. This will not only help them to increase their knowledge about the laws of exponents, but also help them to develop iron skill for archery. In the form of the scale, pathway here can be used for walking and jogging. This will be beneficial for the children for their conversions. Children who are tired and senior citizens can sit on a square and rectangular seats, which can be used for learning the formulas for area and perimeter of square and rectangle.
Here the children can play and learn the concept of Pythagoras theorem, which is always showed in a right angle triangle that side 1 square plus side 2 square equals to hypotenuse square. As we all know, from this beautiful clock, the kids will learn all about time. But it does not end here. You can rotate the hands of the clock and make different angles such as vertically opposite angle, linear back, right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. Balance the line will be a task for the children to hang up on the poles and balance it. If they are able to balance these lines, they will understand that these lines are parallel to each other and therefore called parallel lines. But if they are not able to do so, they will understand that these lines are not parallel to each other, and when extended forward, these lines will meet at a point and therefore occur intersecting them. This game of integers is played in two teams, in which the first team has to shift the arrow to select two numbers. Then the other team will have to add and subtract these numbers. This will not only enrich the base for integers, but will help them increase the interest for integers. Let us now learn graph. These lines in orange are x-axis and y-axis. Each part divided here is called a quadrant. There are 4 quadrants. Children can learn about the position of the points and coordinates. Swing. Children on the swing would have an adventurous feat as they move to and fro. They will understand that the poles of the swing show the angles and property of a triangle, which is in which the sum of measure of all angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. They will also observe that when they swing to and fro, the shadow of the rope of the swing falls on the protractor, which helps them to measure the angles. You will also understand that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are always equal. As you can see, there is a big bird sitting on a fraction tree. There is a number of fractions written on it. Here, the stomach of the bird, that is the circle, is divided into 6 equal parts, and each part indicates the fraction 1 by 6. The leaves of our fraction tree are divided into 2 colors, yellow and green, which show that they are divided into half and indicate the fraction 1 by 2. Certain pieces of fraction fall on the floor. The pieces of fraction that have similar colors show that these are like fraction with same denominator, and the pieces of fraction that have different colors show that these are alike fraction with different denominators.
हे ब्लाइंड स्टिकिंग आणि हा ब्लाइंड ग्लासेस आहे. आम्ही हे नंबर वाचण्यासाठी केलं आहे. म्हणजे ह्या स्टिकसमोर कोणतं पण ऑब्जेक्ट येतं तर हा सेन्सर आहे तो ते डिटेक्ट करतो आणि हा बझर आहे तो एक इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल देतो. तुम्ही पाहू शकता. सेम क्लासेसमध्ये पण तसेच आहे. कारण भारतात 8 मिलियनपेक्षा जास्त आंधळे लोक आहेत. मग त्यांच्यासाठी ब्लाइंड लोकांजवळ म्हणून असं बनवलं आणि हे क्लासेस आहेत कारण कधी तर मग त्यांना बॉल किंवा काय दुसरं त्यांच्या घरीला वगैरे लागून क्लासेस. The purpose of this science project is to reduce pollution from the environment and to minimize the use of chemicals. Now, whenever a vehicle is running on the road and before it launches on the vacuum, the sensor gets activated and all the smoke gets put inside a absorber. Now, the smoke is put inside a smoke filter and it is filtered and forms carbon and collects here. Now, our carbon is ready and now we can remove it. Now we can mix the carbon with the water and प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हमने एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है. इसमें हम सिस्टम बनाया कि जब तक क्या पहले आपके बाइक स्टार्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पता चला है 58% बाइकर्स की डेथ हुई है बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट वेयरिंग हेलमेट. बहुत सारे हेलमेट पहनते लेकिन सही मेथड नहीं पता होता है. जो फिंगर लगाओ शेप जैसे कि मारने के बाद तब तक आप सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगाते उसमें से फायर लगा उसमें से कवर इसी तरह की तरह हेलमेट की पहले से आपकी बाइक स्टार्ट की होगी. नॉर्मली जब आप चाबी लगाते तब अपनी बाइक स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये बटन हमारी चाबी की का काम करेगा. हमने एक बटन चाबी लगा दी बट हमारी बाइक स्टार्ट करने के लिए हेलमेट की जरूरत है. हेलमेट पहनते ही बाइक स्टार्ट करते हैं. आप इसे वायरलेसली कर सकते हैं और ब्लूटूथ से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Thank you. Things only your explain.
So good morning. So our project name is food waste management. So Fentra is responsible for the food waste. They get collected together and it has been transferred to this machine. This machine separates them into food waste and other organic waste. This has been transferred to this crusher machine. This crusher machine crushes the food particle and sends them to the sea. near the turbine with the help of this tunnel. As the turbine rotates continuously due to the wave generated in the sea, due to this fishing net, fishes are caught and sent to this fishing container, and these fishes can be supplied in the market as a non-poisonous fish.
When the turbine rotates, you see, it will produce electricity with the help of power generator. Power generator transfers the electricity towards the power station. Power stations store the electricity and distribute them to all over coastal area. We know that Mumbai is rich in coastal line, about 149 kilometers. So we have implemented a disaster alert system here. If any unusual movement happens inside the sea or near the turbine, with the help of motion sensor, it will get activated and notified us.
Chak is an annuity food treatment system in India that breaks down organic food waste into two products, that is biogas and bioslurry. Biogas can be used as electricity and for cooking also. Bioslurry can be used as a soil fertilizer.
Now, our last part is bioenzyme. Bioenzyme is an organic solution which is made up of fermentation of 3% of citrus fruit peel, 1% of jaggery, and 10% of water. Bioenzyme recipe is shown here. It can be used in cleaning a roof or dishes, in fertilizer, also in pet food. Thank you.
Basically, we have made it from 8 steps. We have heated it, dried it, and then ashed it, acid wash, calcination, precipitation, and also the last step, grinding and juicing to obtain this product, this silicon. And we would also like to show you our water purification. Basically, our whole project is based on maize waste. That is why we have